generally kids are considered to be more creative than adults. So we just want to check this fact. Yes, of course, we also believe that kids are creative than adults. But we want to see that if this creativity, if their creative instinct is given an opportunity to design something useful for the world, for the human community, then how far they can go and think about such a product. So we have picked up 2 kids from our SolidWorks workshop. They are middle school kids and they know decent amount of SolidWorks. So with the help of that, they have to accomplish this task of designing a small product. So they have to look around and see the world and see if there is any requirement for any product which is not there in place. The best thing that they can think at this age and at this moment. So they can think of a small product which can be really useful for the community, and then they can go ahead and design it. And let's see how far they go with this.
Well, the task that I've been given is that I have to choose a product. I have to think of a product which can be designed.
Something that comes in daily use of people. A product to design through SolidWorks.
I was given software of SolidWorks. I have a competitor, Abhinav Ramesh.
I have a competitor, she is my classmate, her name is Rupi.
We both are to design 2 separate products and then we will be assisted for that.
Basically, the first step will be to design or to think something such creative and such useful that every customer seeks for.
I think that I must choose a product which fulfills the daily needs. Sometimes we have little problems in our daily lives and we need that one thing which can solve that problem. So I want to design something that can solve the minute problems of daily life.
I need to think of a new product, something that anyone has ever seen.
I've never had an experience of designing something. I've never had an experience of computer-aided design.
When I was a kid, I used to think of many creative inventions like any other kid do, but those were limited to the paper only. They could not be really designed or brought into daily use or can be made. I have selected a product. I have selected a Swiss knife, not that one that army men use in army, but a Swiss knife with chain, a Swiss knife like a chain one. I will install some daily useful requirements in it so that people normally can use it.
I have seen that in our home and in our living space, we have many things scattered around, and one example which I have targeted upon is remotes. We have several kinds of remotes in our homes: TV remote, AC remote, set-top box remote, and all of them, they are kept at separate places. So we can get an organizer for that. So there can be an organizer in which there are different cavities to keep different remotes, and then not just remotes. These can be used to keep any other thing at home, and it can be used even as a desk organizer. Well, I think so. Sketching is a little bit important because we have to get an overview of the product before we design it in the computer. So, if we sketch before designing it on the computer, we'll get an idea of what we are going to make. So there will be less chances of errors.
I believe that sketches are of no use until they are filled with colors. Colors bring life to sketches. Speaking on the words of my art teacher, I am pretty good. She says that I am pretty good. I don't think so. I personally don't like my art, but people say that I am good at it.
4-5 चीजों के योग से जो है व्यक्ति किसी अंदर की चीजों को बाहर निकालता है, जैसे मन, मस्तिष्क, हृदय, सारी और हाथ, हस्तलाघव, सारी चीजें जो है वो मिलकर एक कृति को जन्म देती है। लेकिन सॉफ्टवेयर में एक सीमा है, वहां पर जो कलाकार का जो भावनात्मक रेखाएं हैं वह उस तरह से डेवलप नहीं हो पाती हैं, वो एक क्राफ्टमैनशिप के साथ चलती है। कि हम ये समझते हैं कि जब तक एक अच्छा कलाकार स्केचिंग में प्रवीण नहीं होगा, स्केचिंग को अच्छी ढंग से जानेगा नहीं, समझेगा नहीं और हृदय से अपने उस उद्वेगों को, उस मन स्थिति को रचित करने लायक नहीं बनेगा, तब तक वो सॉफ्टवेयर पे जाता है तो हमको लगता है कि कहीं आर्टिफिशियल ढंग से वो चीजें क्रिएट कर रहा है जिसका भाव जो है उसमें नजर नहीं आता।
In my view, sketching is the most important because if we draw a sketch on a paper, it will provide a lot of help to how to make it 3D, how to convert it into a 3D model.
Okay, now coming to SolidWorks, do you know how to use SolidWorks?
Yes, I got an amazing training session, and at first it seems a little bit complicated, but after that I came to know about it, and it seems easier.
Well, as you might be knowing, SolidWorks is 3D modeling software. It's not only used by engineers, only for technical stuff. It's used by product designers also for designing new products. And as you might have heard, creative adult is a creative child to survive. So you know that all kids are born creative, and we just lose our creativity over the time. So if a person, a child, gets a chance to work on that creativity from a younger time, he'll be obviously able to hone it better compared to an adult. He has more time to work on it, and he can always enjoy it as a hobby rather as a profession while he has the time. Once it becomes a profession, people start lagging in that and it becomes a burden to work on it.
So IKP Eton is a startup incubator and accelerator, and we are based out of Bangalore. And we have two main objectives. So the first one is to help companies build innovative products, and the second one is to train the next generation of technocrats and entrepreneurs. And we believe that innovative technological products create value addition across various levels, and that more importantly, startups are needed to create jobs, foster innovation, and most importantly, boost the economy. We also want to train students from schools and colleges and help them debunk the myths that startups are hard and technology can be boring.
Yash from Sharp contacted IKP Eden for the prototyping of designs made by middle school kids using SolidWorks, so that they get an overview of the design to product. In this way, it was really amazing to see kids using SolidWorks as a creative tool rather than a professional tool, wherein they could learn design as well as prototyping using 3D printing.
Hi there, this is Abhinav and I'm here to talk to tell you about the project which I have been working on, and it basically is a Swiss knife. It has all the basic utilities that you will be needing around your day. When you are around to work, you are looking on your day and your hairs are not done. So you would be needing a comb, and looking out for a comb in your office would be quite an unusual thing to do. And for that, I've got this knife here that has a comb and spoons and all the basic things that you will be needing around the day. Think of a situation where you are on a picnic. I'll take the most common of things. You are on a picnic and with family or with friends, and you lost your spoon. So it will be very smudgy to use your hands for eating and doing all those things with hands. Now imagine another situation. Suppose you are on a train and the spoon is a practically very small thing and it may get lost anywhere. So it will feel very awkward to ask for someone else on the train to give their spoon, or it will cost you to buy another spoon. So I am here with the solution of that. This is a Swiss knife basically, and it has all those things. It will have all those things that you are in the need of. That will be 4 basic questions that any buyer would ask me about. First one being why to buy it. That is a pretty obvious question, why to buy it, and it is very important. This is a product that is not you won't find it anywhere. It's my own design. With all the utilities of the basic life, it is very handy. You can keep it anywhere in your pocket, and it hardly weighs a few grams. The second question would be how is it different from other Swiss knives that are available? Usually the Swiss knives that are available in the market are of cheap. They usually don't carry these things of like the rope and the knives. They are of different use. This is a daily use. The third one being that is it worth your money? Well, yes, of course. This is a daily use item, and it would be required by all the people, irrespective of their age limit. Your money is not going to be wasted at all. It is fully going to be utilized. The last one being in how much can you get it? Original those Swiss knives that are originally available in the market are of 3,000 to 4,000. I will get it to you in 200. This is a very cheap product to get, and if I would be you, I would have already an opportunity at my home, and it ain't the original one, but you see it's actually better.
Hello everyone, I'm here with a wonderful product for all of you, and this is called the remote organizer. So before telling you about this wonderful product, I want to take you through a situation that happens in most of your homes. Suppose you're in your room and you want to search for something, say your TV remote, and then you go basically all around and you search for it in the whole room and you can't find it, and then it takes a lot of time. You look all around for the remote in your room, and because of the messy life, everything is scattered and you can't find your remote. Why only a remote? Suppose you want to get a pen or a paper to write on something, to take some quick notes, but then you can't find the pen. So this is a very irritating situation that happens to most of us. So I have come up with a solution to this major problem, and the solution to this is this remote organizer. This remote organizer is the perfect solution to the messy lives that we have created now. These remotes are a nuisance to all of us, and you have remotes for television, for set-top box, for air conditioners, and they are scattered all around the room. So this will act as a hub for the remote control of all sorts of things in the room. Well, this is a prototype and it actually has a clock. There wants to be a chamber over here, and so that you can keep in your papers. As you can see that this has a hook also behind this, so you can hang it on the wall, or you can simply keep it on your table, and I'm sure this will add to the charm of your room. An organized life is much better than a messy life, and today, because of work stress and all that, we don't really have time to organize our things. If you buy this, you will get your life organized, and it will help you to organize your room better, to keep all your things in one place. Coming to the price, I think that some products which are available like this in the market, they are actually pen holders or just simple table organizers, but this which offers an ability to keep in remotes and then the hook at the back, and then there will be space to keep in your papers too. I think it's quite reasonable at 200 rupees. I hope that you will like it and would like to